So I just got home from work and I saw this came in the mail. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. So I'm really excited. Okay, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Came with these stickers. They gave me like 6. And this is what the box looks like. Okay. Ooh! So I got, oh my god. This is packaged really nicely. So I got the red selfie t-shirt in a size medium in women's. And then I got the black Fearless hoodie in a size medium in women's as well. Okay, so I'll just show the zipper that opens it. So I'm excited. The shirt feels so soft. It looks like this. Okay, wow. So this is the t-shirt. Baekhyun, oh, he looks so good. And then it just has the logo on it. PRIVÉ. I'm saying Priv. It'd be really awkward if I was saying it wrong this entire time. I have 3 rings though. This is what the tag says, and it just has the website on the back. It looks like that.
So baby, can I be your boyfriend? Can I? 네가 알지 못할 세상 알려주고 싶어. So baby, can I be your boyfriend? Can I?
Now I have the hoodie. It also came in the same packaging. I'm just gonna zip open up. Ooh. I got the Fearless measuring tape one and the same logo.
장난스런 너의 반응에 Say yo 머리 너질하고 어떡해.
This hoodie feels really nice. Like, it's definitely good quality, you can tell by just like touching it.
날 비추는 까만 두 눈이 또 내게 속삭이는 너의 새빨간 그 입술이 하늘 듯한 너의 두 손이.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing haul. I'm sure I'm gonna love everything and will definitely get some wear out of them. I'm so awkward, I don't know how to end this. Okay, well, bye!